Let's talk about crankshaft inspection. Are you to buy a new crankshaft or a used crankshaft? These are the inspection checklists that you must ensure that is in place before you pay, so that you'll not lose your money. The first thing you have to check is the journals. These are the journals. These, and these. These are the crankshaft journals, the main bearing journals and the conroe journal. You need to check the journals. One, you need to check the smoothness of the journal. Check all the smoothness of the journal around. Then you need to measure it to ensure that it's still in standard. If the crankshaft is not in standard, can it be grounded to 010 or 020? Then you need to measure it, and this can be done by using a tool to measure it. You can do that to measure the journal. So you have to ensure that all the journals are good. That's the first thing you need to check before you buy a crankshaft, whether used or new. Then another thing you need to check is the thread. You need to check the thread, especially when you are buying a used conroe, a used crankshaft. Check the thread. For example, this is a thread there. This is a Canada thread. Check the thread. Is the thread okay? If possible, you can go with the bolt and tie the bolt and see that the thread is okay. For example, in this crankshaft now, you see have another thread here. You can see this side goes to the flywheel. This is where your flywheel tighten. You check this thread too. Ensure you check the thread. Don't forget that the first thing is your journal, the second one is your thread. You check the thread, and you need to look for welding joint. Is there any welding joint on the crankshaft? Look the counterweight. Is there any place that has been welded? If you notice any welding joint, please don't buy. These are very important. Don't buy a welded crankshaft. You have to look for welding position, welding joint. If you see any welding joint, don't buy. Then number 4, look for discoloration on the crankshaft journal. Check the crankshaft journal, even if it is smooth. But if you notice any discoloration here, it is a sign that this shaft has been overheated. It's a sign of overheating. So you don't need to buy that kind of crankshaft. Yes, discoloration is a sign that the crankshaft has undergo overheating, which will later give you a lot of problems. So don't buy such a crankshaft. It is very essential. Look for discoloration. Then you measure deflection. It is very important. A crankshaft, you cannot know that a crankshaft has been defected without visual inspection. So you need to take it to a machine that will measure deflection. A crankshaft should be in alignment. You need to measure deflection. There's a machine that will tell you if a crankshaft has been deflected or not. The machine will tell you the alignment of the crankshaft. If it's in alignment, you need to check that. Then you also need to check the end play. Check the end play. End play means side by side, side to side movement, side by side. How can you do this? You use die gauge to measure the side by side. If the width has eaten up too much, then you have problem with such a crankshaft. So you need to check the end play. End play has to do with this side by side. So that will, you can use a die indicator to check that. Then you, if possible, this is what I usually do after checking everything, which is my 7th in the checklist. I fix a conrod on the conrod journal and rotate it. I install a conrod and rotate it. See how it goes. That is my number 7 on my checklist. With the checklist, if you can tick all of them good, then you can buy the crankshaft. If the crankshaft is not in standard and all of them maintain the same measurement, if it is 010, it's still good. It is 020. If you know that you don't have much load, then you can still buy, but ensure that all the crankshaft maintain correct measurement and avoid discoloration. If you see any discoloration, don't buy. I have another video that talk about crankshaft, how you can locate the timing on the crankshaft gear. watch that video, it will pop up now, or check in the description below.